Dumpty sat on a wall, swaying and hum, enjoying it all. The sun was bright, the breeze was light. He giggled and wobbled with pure delight. Along came birds with a cheep and a tweet, tickling Humpty from head to feet. He laughed so hard, he rocked too far, and oh no, down he fell with a loud R. Pren went to shell on the grassy green, right by a bush and a trampoline. The king's fine horses were out of sight, and knights in armor, not quite right. But lucky for Humpty, not all was lost. Help came running, no matter the cost. From under the slide and behind the swing came 5 little kids in a superhero ring. Lily the leader said, "Don't be scared, we've got this team, be fully prepared." Max had band-aids soft and small, Ella brought pillows to break a fall. Ben had glue with a gentle touch, Sophie said, "Don't move too much." They worked with care, they patched him up, even gave him a juice box and sippy cup. Humpty blinked and gave a smile. "I haven't felt this good in a while." "You're brave," said the kids, "but stay off the wall, or at least ask us to catch your fall." So now each day in the park you'll see Humpty laughing with friends by the old oak tree. He still loves walls, but he plays it cool, with helmets, hugs, and the kids from school. The moral is simple: if ever you fall, good friends will catch you, big or small.
Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall, laughing and waving a one and all. The wind blew softly, the sun shone bright. Humpty was having a marvelous night. But oh dear me, he started to wiggle. The wall was so high, it made him giggle. With a big tumble and a gentle plop, Humpty fell down with a bounce and a hop. The king's kind horses and his crew helped Humpty up. They knew what to do. With a bit of glue and a patch so neat, Humpty was happy and back on his feet. So if you sit on a